how these clubs are basically helping you guys, like in your personal development, like.
Okay, so I am in dance club. So after exhausting myself in the 7-8 hours, I have to exhaust my this aggression and something. So I dance for 1 hour, and like that I'm relaxed after that.
Okay.
Apart from just the cultural clubs, we
Hmm.
have domain specific clubs as well, which
Okay.
is a layer upon layer. We have
Okay.
cultural clubs, we have different sports clubs, and then we have domain clubs.
Okay.
Domain clubs, for example, finance domain has one club,
Okay.
HR domain has another club. We have a special particular speaking club as well for interpersonal development and skill enhancement,
Okay.
which is the most active, I think.
Hmm.
She is a member of that club. She has more to add on to.
In the spectrum.
Yeah, please.
So yes, like I am part of the Spectrum Club. I think you are too,
Yes,
like
yes.
right? Kushi is too. We are the part of the Spectrum Club. So
What
they,
is this Spectrum Club is all about?
Spectrum Club is all about how well you speak on stage to get the fear out of you while you are speaking on stage in front of everyone. Because I mean, it's very normal to be nervous, to get those nerves when you are on the stage. So they organize these activities. Like I think the last activity we had was jamming session for 1 minute, where you will be given a topic and you have to speak like impromptu for like 1 minute. So now you get ideas from people. You are communicating with various people. You are getting those ideas, and it's all amazing. So after these classes, we get to interact with people in a way academically as well, and it's also fun.
It is your choice that you have to join the club.
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So you can join.
It's voluntary.
And second thing is that how the clubs are being monitored, are being supervised by the faculties only, or you guys have certain kind of administrative, kind of control or handling these kind of activities.
So this concept in DPS is also again dynamic, as everything in DPS is. The mentoring happens by the faculty. We have heads representing these clubs, but
Who are the representatives? Are the faculties or the students?
the representatives are the students.
Students are the representatives.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
There is a separate board for placement cells. There's a separate club for interpersonal skills. There's a separate club for finance domain. There's a separate club for robotics. And all of this does not require any prerequisites. You are free to volunteer and be a part of any of these cultural, sports, or domain clubs. The students lead and represent these clubs, and the teachers mentor them. It's just what a perfect teacher in any institution is supposed to do. Just support students
Okay.
and let them shine.
So I'm in the dance club, and
Okay.
since childhood I love dancing.
Okay.
TBS Global University gave me this opportunity to come up and show my skills. So recently on 3rd September, it organized a dance competition called Navras, by which you had to show 9 different emotions through dance, which was love, courage, anger, anxiety, and everything. And I won the first prize there. So it was
great.
yeah.
Clapping. Great.
Yeah.
So
And
you have the a platform also, apart from the regular academics. You also have the platform opportunity just to come up. What are the rest things you can do in your life?
so, sir, I think academics would make it monotonous, but here the students are getting time for themselves, giving some time for the things that they're passionate about. So I got a chance for dancing, which also enhanced my personality. Also taught me to like how the team works, teamwork, adaptability, which would also help me to be a great manager. So I think it has been a great experience.
Very small example that how these are combined, how these are the balanced approach towards it would help me. For example, I was a very shy person, and since my I guess from 9th and 10th onward, I was lean towards marketing.
Okay.
And marketing requires a bold person, a confident person, a person you have to be from outside. Now, what helped me joining theater as a club? Now, one person would think why, how a theater doing a nukkad natak, doing a stage play would help me in becoming a marketing manager or in marketing in any sort of field. Now, the point is when I stand in nukkad natak, the amount of voice I use, the amount I put up to engage the street, because it's a street play. So the amount of engagement I put up the street, it helps me to how in sales, in marketing, I would convince people towards me. नुक्कड़ नाटक में हम लोगों को कन्विंस करते हैं कि आप आओ हमारी सुनो,
मार्केटिंग भी में भी कई बार नाटक ही करना पड़ता
Marketing
है.
में भी नाटक ही करना पड़ता है. तो
Your expressions,
Expressions.
your confidence level,
हर
your
एक चीज.
conviction, your eyes to eyes contact, these all things works in the marketing.
Because sir, the problem is that parents usually don't support. वो कहते हैं कि जैसे मेरे father ने खुद बोला कि how would theatre help you become a better person?
Hmm.
Why to join a theatre club? Why to pay 3,000 rupees in DBS for joining theatre? These 3,000 would help me bring 3 lakhs.
Okay, great.
I remember the initial days. I and Khushi, we both went to Jaipur. It all because we went and grasped the opportunity that every club has to offer us.
Okay.
In the initial days, we were very unaware that okay, we'll be getting an opportunity to go out of Dehradun, representing our college at a state level, at a national level. She went further ahead onto the national level, and I congratulate her. But the peer support that we have is dynamic and superb, I would like to say, because even though I lost at the state level, my peers are like, be grateful and we are very proud of you that you went and represented us at a national level, at a state level.
Like I previously said, that I'm a very big advocate of proactive nature of a student. It's you who can drive your career. No university, teachers, faculty can only give you a certain push.
Like a mentorship.
Exactly. It's you who can.
To everyone who will be watching this, stay consistent, get out of your rooms, talk to people. This campus really has a lot to offer.